and today I have a difference problem from a school practice paper. This question is actually a bit challenging and some students have been asking about it. So let's begin. Box A contains some 50-cent coins and box B contains some 20-cent coins. So box A only contains 50-cent coins. Let's underline this and this. There are 15 more coins in box B than in box A. But the amount of money in box A is $2.70 more than the amount of money in box B. How much money is in box B? The question says box B has more coins, but box A has more money. This is very difficult to visualize. So let's try drawing models. Let's draw A's model first, and this will be the number of coins in box A. Then, will the model of box B be longer or shorter? It will be longer. And what is the difference in the number of coins? It is 15. Now what kind of coins are in box A? 50-cent coins. What about B? 20 cents. Now, the amount of money in box A is $2.70 more than the amount in box B. It seems like it is still a little bit difficult for us to solve now. So let's take a look at a simpler example first. In the example, the question has been tweaked a little. Now, the number of coins in both boxes are the same. So if A is this long, how long will B be? It will be the same length. Once again, A has 50 cents and B has 20 cents. Now, box A has $3.90 more than box B. Now, we want to find the number of coins in box B. Firstly, what is the total difference in amount between the two boxes? It is just $3.90. And what is the difference in the amount between 150 cent and 120 cent? It is 30 cents. And we can call this a single difference. Now, how can we find the number of coins in each box? We can take $3.90 divided by 30 cents and that will give us 13, our answer. This example is simpler because we have the same number of coins. So we can find the number by taking total difference divided by single difference. Now let's get back to our question. So remember it was easier with the same number of coins. So let's find the total difference for the same number of coins, which is over here on the left of the model. So firstly, looking at our model, we have 15 more 20-cent coins. How much is this? 15 times 20 cents, which is $3. Now everyone, this is the key part. It seems that box A is lesser than B by $3, but it is still $2.70 more than B. So what is the total difference? It is actually $2.70 plus $3 and that gives us $5.70. And this is what will be over here on the left. So now that we have the total difference, what is the single difference? It is 30 cents. So now, do you remember the formula? How can we find the number of coins in box A? It will be the total difference divided by single difference, which gives us 19 coins here on the model. Now the question is asking, how much money is in box B? We first need to find how many coins is in box B. So how can we find this? We can just take 19 plus 15, which gives us 34. And now, how can we find the amount in B? We can multiply by 20 cents and that gives us our answer of $6.80. Great, we have solved this question. So let's summarize. Firstly, this is a difference problem. And remember, the most important part was finding the total difference for the same number of coins. Then we will be able to apply the formula of total difference divided by single difference to get the number of coins. And with that, we have solved this question. If you have any other questions regarding P5SA2, you can scan this WhatsApp QR code to join our study group, which is for P5 students. I'm Teacher Pamela, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye!